Today we're making Zippy's chili, a copycat recipe. Served with rice, this dish is flavor-packed and makes for a fantastic lunch. Zippy's is a popular place to eat in Hawaii, and their chili and rice is one of the best items on the menu. But I don't live anywhere near a Zippy's, so today I'll be making this delicious dish at home, so that you can too. Whether you're looking to save money on food, or looking for a great meal prep option, this dish hits the spot. Each bite of chili and rice is full of flavor and will leave you wanting more. So, let's get cooking. Start by cutting and grinding up 1.5 links of Portuguese sausage. I'm using Silva brand today and a food processor to mince everything. Set this aside. Then we'll slice 1 yellow onion and process it in our food processor as well. Set this aside. We'll dice 1 green bell pepper and process it in the food processor as well. Set this aside with the onion. Chop 4 sticks of celery and process in the food processor as well. Then add it to the other veggies as well. Mince 4 garlic cloves. In a pot set to medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, and then add our minced veggies. Add the garlic as well, and allow to cook down for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 1.5 pounds of ground beef, break it up, and add our ground sausage from earlier. Break this up as well and mix everything together. After about 3 minutes of cooking, we'll add 3 tablespoons of chili powder and mix. Everything is super fragrant right now and smells delicious. Add a little bit more chili powder as needed. Then add 1 tablespoon of cumin, and stir. Add 1 tablespoon of oregano and stir. Then we'll add 1 can of pinto and 1 can of kidney beans. Be sure to drain the liquid before adding. Then add 7 tablespoons of tomato paste. And 14.5 ounces of chicken stock. Stir everything together. Add 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Stir some more. Add 2 bay leaves. Give it all a good stir. Then pressure cook for 30 minutes. Or if you're using a pot, allow to cook for 60 minutes on medium heat. Once done, stir everything and remove the bay leaves. We'll also cook a pot of rice. See the link in the description for how to make 3-minute rice. And boom, we have Zippy's chili and rice. This is absolutely delicious, and something I never knew I could make at home. Zippy's has lots of great menu options, and their chili and rice is by far one of my favorites. There's so much flavor in the chili that sets this recipe apart from other chilies. It's so good that all you need to eat this with is rice. If this looks delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.